this video, I'm going to show you how to use bonus amount in BetWinner Casino. The procedure will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a BetWinner professional account. Come and click on registration. Now you are going to come and click on the option by mail, which will be the full inscription. Thereby coming down at the promo code, where you will enter the promo code JADU, because it will help you to have 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning, if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. First, you're going to come and menu here. So by using it now, you are first going to use the first deposit of account. By using it with the promo code, you will receive a bonus account here. So the bonus account will be placed just right down at the level of main account. It will be the first, and you will select it, thereby putting a considerable amount of money which is required and needed. And also you will come out at the level of casino. You're going to click on my casino. By clicking on my casino now, so as to play the games for free here. You can see, you can check for the casino games free. Now playing it, and also increase also your VIP cashback status if you like. Then by having now considerable amount of money by winning, and it is as simple as that.